A tornado warning has been issued for our area.
Save hundreds on car insurance with Liberty Mutual. He hits his mark center stage and is crushed by a baby grand piano. Are you replacing me? With this guy?
Customize and save with Liberty Bibbity.
He doesn't even have a mustache.
Oh, look, a Bee-Boo.
Only pay for what you need.
Liberty, 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 liberty.
Nothing scary about Energizer Ultimate Lithium, the #1 longest lasting AA battery.
A tornado watch is in effect. Currently in our area, 78 degrees with a thunderstorm. Today, thunderstorms, high 85. Winds southwest at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Tonight, thunderstorms likely, low 76. Chance of rain, 80%. Friday, morning thunderstorms, high 87. Chance of rain, 40%. Here's our 7-day outlook.
It's a fact. No other news network out there is trusted more than the Weather Channel.
This is epic.
Trusted to be there where and when you need it.